Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss how to create and use a NuGet packages, and also we'll discuss how we can upload a package into NuGet URL. For that, let me create a NuGet package first. Just open a Visual Studio, click on new project. Here I am going to choose the class library template. Just click on next. I'll give project name. I'll take arithmetic operations. Just click on next, click on create. So this will create a one class library template for you. Here the default class is generated. Let me delete that. And I'm going to add one class. Right click, add new item. I'll select a class. The class name I'm going to give arithmetic. Just click on add. This I'll make it public. In this class I'm going to write a methods addition of two numbers, public int addition, and this will accept a input parameter int a comma int b, and this will return addition of two numbers. Let me add one more method, int subtraction. This also I'll use. I'll add one more, multiplication, and this also will return multiplication of two numbers. Now here the arithmetic class have a three functions. One is addition, subtraction and multiplication. So let me create this arithmetic class into a package and will use in another application. Just right click on the project. You can see the pack option is available. So once if you click this class, it will generate into NuGet package. So I will not give any description or version, any kind of thing. So I'll just click on the pack. So it will build your project and it will generate a package. You can see the package here. So in this path, the arithmetic operation 1.0.0 dot NuGet package is created. So just go to this package. Here you can see the 1.0.0 NuGet package is created. Now we'll see how we can give a package name and how we can give versions into this package. Just right click on the project, go to properties. Here you can see the package option is there. Under this package option you can give a package ID, title, package version, all those. I'll give a package name, arithmetic operation. Let's take a arithmetic OPR, and the title also I'll give the same. And here I'm going to give a version like 1.2.2, or you can give anything like 1.1.1 like that I can give. And the author I will give, author my name I will give, and here you can see the description. What this version will does, you can mention like 1.1.1. So this will, it will take arithmetic operations on two numbers like addition, subtraction and multiplication. Just click on save, and once again you go and click on pack. It will build and it will create a NuGet package. You can see here. Go to this path again. Here you can see the 1.1.1 NuGet package is created. So let's use these two packages in another application. Just I'll copy these two application into another path. Let me go to D drive. I'll create a new folder, packages. Under packages I'll give this. Let me copy this. I'll create one more console application and I will use those packages into console application. Just click on a new project. I'm going to select a console app, click on next. I'll give project name like main project. Just click on next, click on create. This will create a console application. Under this console application, I am going to add a NuGet package source. So right click on the project. You can see here manage NuGet packages. Just click on this. Here you can see in the package sources NuGet.org or all Microsoft Visual Studio offline packages. So if NuGet.org, if you select, all online packages will available. So this all packages will be in the NuGet.org website. So now if you choose Microsoft Visual Studio offline package, in the local source folder you can offline packages you can install. If you select both the packages, it will get available. Now let me add a package source. So I am going to add one more, and the package source name I will give arithmetics. Just click I'll select a package source where the packages are present. Just 3 dots. I'll give a path. So in the D drive I have a packages folder, so I'm selecting. Just click on update. So it says already it is there. Okay, so the package already it is available, so I'll get rid of this. I'll select that and update. Just click on OK. Now you can see the arithmetic packages option is available. Just select and click on the browse. You can see both the versions is available, the 1.0.0 and 1.1.1. You can see the 1.0.0 there is no author and all those description available about this package, this version. And you can see 1.1.1, here you have the description, who has the author and what is this about this package. So let me create one more version of this 1.1.2. Go to this arithmetic operation class library. I am going to change the version. So 1.1.2 I will give, and the description also I will give. Just I will copy, same I will give. I will change the version 1.1.2. Here I am going to give a addition, subtraction, and I'll say in console application. So just click on save and right click on the project, just click on a pack. Now in this path already the 1.1.2 package is created. Just go to that package source. You can see the package is available. Just copy to D drive packages, and let's go to the main project and just refresh. Just I'll change to here. You can see 1.1.2 the version it is available, because I use the same package name, so it is showing updated one. If you click on a drop down, you can see 1.1.1 and 1.1.2 it is also available. Just select and click on install. So this will install your arithmetic operation package in your application. Let's go and use this addition, subtraction, multiplication methods. Go to program.cs. In this program.cs, I am going to create an object for this arithmetic class. This is available in library. So I will go to here. I will create an object for it. New arithmetic soft. So I have to add a namespace, and you can see the arithmetic dot. If you put here, you can see the methods addition, multiplication, subtraction is available. So let's go and use. The first one is addition. I'll say 1, 4, and this is a return type is integer, so I am going to save arithmetic. Let me give a variable name addition, and I'll print this value. The addition value is and here. So let me add for another 2 methods also. just a copy and change the name. Subtraction, I'll use a method name and a variable name as the same. And multiplication also same I'll use. Just click on execute. Here I can see the output in this window, the hello world, and addition value is I given 1.1,4. the input is 1,4 I given, so the output is 5, the total is 5. So the subtraction is -3 and the multiplication is 4. 1 into 4, it is a 4. So like this we can use in your local machine the reference, the NuGet package references, we can use it. So if we have a version also, you can apply versions. Now another one, you can see here description, the 1.1.1 description and 1.1.2 description also it is available here. So if you increase one more version 1.1.3 and if you give a description, the description also will come, and in the drop down you can choose the versions also. So now let's upload this package into NuGet URL. For that, here I can see nuget.org. This is the URL. So just open this nuget.org in browser. You have to log in with your account. So once you log in, you can see the upload option here. Just click on upload and you have to select the package. So just click on here. You have to choose a package, which package you are going to upload. I'll select 1.1.2. just open, and it says some verification, some license, all those missing, so no need of worry about that. If you go down here, you can see the package visibility, list the package in search. If you unselect this, the package will not list in your search result. If you select this, it will list. So in the custom, you can give a document about that package, you can give. Let me copy from here 1.1.2. so I'll take this same text, I'll go to this window, I'll give here, and in the URL section, if you have any custom domain URL you can give, otherwise you can leave. So on next you can see submit, just click on submit. So this will submit your package into nuget.org URL. So here the package is uploaded. So here shows some warning, this package not yet been published yet. It will appear in the search result and will be available for install and restore after validating, indexing are complete. So once this nuget.org team is approved, then only the package will available in the NuGet manager. So here you can select nuget.org, then you can search once this uploaded is success, validation is completed. So like this we can create a NuGet package and use it in your applications. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.